Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem code in BiliBili comics. So let's go forward and open the app right here. And of course you'll have to make sure that you are logged into your account. And then at the bottom right corner, let's hit this icon where it says me. And as you can see right here, there is a redeem code option, and let's tap on that. Now I'm going to log into my account because I didn't do that earlier. So now that I'm logged into my account, I'm just going to select this redeem code option again. And right here, you will have this little search bar where you can insert your code right here. So after you insert the code, just hit the submit button. And if your code is correct and valid, you would be able to redeem the code that you inserted. So this is all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.